Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this one, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change the background of your TradingView charts. So let's get right into it. TradingView charts are a very useful tool in which you can view how the price of a certain stock or future or cryptocurrency has changed over the past period of time. For example, over a period of half a year as is currently set up, or 5 months as is currently set up on my account. Now, as you can see, this is an example of the chart, except for the candles, which I have changed the colors of. These are not standard. However, as you can see, the background of this chart is very monotonous. It is currently in a gradient. However, that gradient is barely visible. It just looks monotonous to me. And if I'm going to be looking at this for a certain period of time, I would, of course, like this to be a bit more exciting, I guess you could say. And I can change the color of the background, which is done like this. Once you're actually in the chart, make sure that you're logged into your account and make sure you choose the chart of whatever you want. I think you can just pick any chart. Currently, I'm looking at the chart for Ethereum. However, you can pick any single one. Just right click on the background and go to settings. And if you go into canvas, you can change the chart basic styles. As you can see, the very first option is the background, and here you can pick whether you want a gradient or a solid. If you pick a solid, you can only choose one color, let's say for example orange, and as you can see that looks horrible, so I'm not going to be doing that. However, if you would like, you can also choose a gradient and you can play around with this. For example, let's say I want a very mellow sort of orange as my bottom gradient, or a very mellow yellow. And for the top, let's say some sort of pink, and as you can see, it already changed it for the better. Now, this certain color scheme does sort of mess up my grid lines. However, this, for example, doesn't. And yeah, that's pretty much how you change your background. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.